What's going on, everyone? I hope you are having a good Saturday. My name is Quentin Gooden, and today we are at one of my favorite places in the world, one of the best driving roads I know of. And I wanted to show you guys what's been going on with the Civic lately. This car has been great, but you guys probably remember during the Corvette video I made last, I said that I finally got the exhaust done on this thing, and well, the exhaust has really been the best thing that I've ever put on this car. This car has been so much more fun since I put the exhaust on there, but I also did something else to it. Let me go show you. So you see in the front, everything just looks pretty much standard like your basic 90s Honda Civic. But you open up the passenger door with this flimsy ass door handle, and you let out this back seat right here, you'll see that I did a rear seat delete on this thing, and I'll be honest, it was actually really easy. Now, I actually did a bit of modification with this. I took the seats out, I took all the seat belt brackets off. I need to take the seat belts off themselves, but I'll do that later. But I actually think I did a pretty good job with it. So this carpet right here, this was from the back seats. It's actually the carpet that covers the back seats. But I ended up taking that off and I actually repurposed it. So I got these push pins right here. This is what holds this side of the carpet down. But I also cut holes inside this carpet and put the push pins through there, and now it pretty much holds in there. And I also went ahead and stapled the back of the carpet into the trunk carpet. So this thing is actually set up pretty good, and it did not cost me anything. It was actually really easy to do. It probably only took me about 20 minutes to take the seats out, and it took me probably another like 10 minutes to get everything bolted down, well, pinned down and stapled. But yeah, I was going to originally buy like some carpet off of Amazon, but this actually turned out great, way better than I thought it was. But now that all that is done, let me go show you guys how this thing sounds. I know you guys probably enjoyed the sound bits at the start, but here's what it's going to sound like from the inside.